This is the easiest way to know the Bluetooth version of your Android smartphone. Just go into the Play Store and search for AIDA64. This is the application, install it and open it. And under System, you will see the Bluetooth version at the bottom here. This phone has a Bluetooth version of 4 Plus. Let's compare that with a mid-range device because this is just an entry-level device. This is the Vivo V40 and this phone costs like 4 times more than the Infinix phone. So this phone has a Bluetooth version of 5.3 and that is expected. That's how easy it is to check the Bluetooth version of any Android smartphone. If you have any other method, please tell me in the comments below. That's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.